I'm Mark Hoffman, the owner of Sports Leisure Vacations. Every 2 years, we bring a couple dozen people on a very, very special journey here to Cape Cod. I'm talking to you from Provincetown. This is part of a 7-day itinerary that begins with an overnight in Boston and then comes here to Provincetown by ferry. You'll land right here on this dock and walk right into town. 2 nights here at Provincetown. This is really a magical place. Then you're headed down the Cape, out to Hyannis, to go to Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. This is a wonderful vacation of a lifetime. 7 days, 6 nights. Come along with me and let me show you where we're going on Old Cape Cod.
Dining is part of the magic on Cape Cod. The Lobster Pot and Nappies are great places to sample Cape Cod cuisine. The shops and galleries, the history of the pilgrims, the characters, they all make up Provincetown. Stay 2 nights and enjoy Bayview rooms at the Surfside. Then it's off down the Cape. Chatham is the place the sea captains called home. We'll stop for lunch at your leisure and a chance to explore a little. The night in Hyannis and partake in a local favorite, a lobster supper, before heading to the islands by ferry. On Martha's Vineyard, enjoy a guided tour of the island featuring the fascinating gingerbread houses. Lunch on the Vineyard is a treat before you get back on the ferry boat and head for Nantucket, where the quaint Nantucket Inn is your home for 2 nights. A sightseeing tour will show you the island and leave you with plenty of time to find your own favorite places. Then, with one more ferry ride, your Cape Cod vacation comes to an end.